stopping by. Today is decor day. I love me some decor. Like, it does something to me spiritually, like mentally. I love being in an environment that promotes my creativity. I love creating. It's just so soothing to me. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing my hallway entry. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. That wall was kind of looking plain, so I decided to get some things just so it can, I don't know, stand out. It just looks plain, it looks bland. I don't like bland. So here are some of the things I'm going to be using to complete my entryway wall decor project. Here is a frame I purchased from Michael's on sale. I think the original price was like $45, but I got it on sale for 40% off. It was a steal, literally. It's a floating frame. I don't like the color of this frame because I feel like it's way too brown for our floors. I'm not sure if you can see our floors in the video. Hold on, let me back up a little bit so you can see. But it's way too brown compared to our floors. Our floors have a gray undertone, and this has none. So I'll be painting it with, wow, the spray can is all the way over there. Give me one moment. Let me go grab it. I'm back. But yes, I'll be painting it with this satin spray paint I purchased from Walmart, I believe. Either Walmart or Michael's. It's by Rust-Oleum, I believe that's how it's pronounced. It is sprayable onto wood, metal, and more. Bonds to plastic even. So yes, I'll be changing the color to this. So hopefully this turns out okay, the way I'm imagining it to. This is a shelf that the things that I have here will be displayed on. This shelf was purchased from Home Basics. I'm not sure how much I purchased it for, but I will go ahead and look at the receipts and leave everything in my description box below. By the way, guys, when you're painting, I would suggest to put on a shirt that you don't really care to stain or dirty because it gets messy. This is why I have on a shirt that is stained. This shirt I usually use to clean and do stuff that I know is going to be messy but don't care to get it on the shirt. I definitely would suggest that. If you would like to watch me on this DIY entry wall project of mine, please stay tuned for the rest of the video.
The couple's line artwork that I purchased is from an Etsy shop titled The Cuttlefish Ink Store. I just wanted to show you all really quickly how online purchasing for digital art works on the Etsy platform. After you've purchased your artwork, you're going to receive an instant download link where you can download the artwork that you've just purchased. As you can see, this shop has their artwork in a variety of different sizes, which does not matter to me because I'll be using PicMonkey.com to remove the background of the image, change the size, and then change the color of the image to better suit my project. After you finish downloading your artwork from Etsy, you're going to go on PicMonkey.com to upload your artwork there. All the way to the right, you're going to see an option to remove the background. If your artwork is displayed on a neutral background, the background will be very easy to remove for PicMonkey. After you've removed your background, if you decide to change the color of your artwork, you're going to want to click that color wheel underneath the word adjust to manually search for the color of your choice if you don't already have the code available to you on hand. I already have my code available. I'm just simply showing you all how to do this on the PicMonkey platform. If you need to change the sizing of your image, you're gonna wanna go to the left side of your screen and click the resize icon. Be sure to check with the dimensions of your picture frame. That way you have a great idea of what sizing to go for. After you finish that, you're gonna click download and you're good to go. So this is how the image looks on glossy paper. I didn't like the sizing of the image, so I had to go back on my laptop, crop out the image so that when they reprinted it, it would be shown more larger. Other than that, I love how this came out.
So guys, my wall is actually 36 inches. I thought it was 35, but it's 36. I just measured it exactly and it's 36 inches. Because the shelf is 30 inches, I am going to, sorry, my phone interrupted me. But yes, because the shelf is 30 inches and my wall is 36 inches, I'm going to measure it at 36 inches because that's the exact measurement of my wall, and take 3 inches off of each side, which would be 6 inches total. That way I can find what the center of the shelf will be and mark the center, if that makes sense to you all. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you better than I could tell you. Let me zoom in a bit for you guys, so you can see.
Here I am using the shelf's mount to press firmly onto the wall to mark its center. That way I don't have to use a pencil. To drill the screws into the wall, I'll be using an electronic hammer drill. Before I continue drilling all the screws into the wall, I want to make sure my mount is aligned close to perfect. So I'm going to go on my iPhone and turn on grid mode. Now that I've turned on grid mode, I am going to attach my iPhone to my phone mount and place it directly in front of the shelf's mount so I can check the alignment using the lines on my iPhone camera.
Alright guys, so I just finished installing the shelf onto the wall. My wall is uneven, so disappointing, but I'm still gonna make it work. But yes, I am going to start opening what's going onto the shelf. What I love the most. This is my first time seeing everything, so I am literally unboxing with you all. So the first staple decor piece that I will be putting on to this shelf is a woman's body figurine. I've been seeing these online and it's just been so, I don't know, so fascinating to see. I was like, I have to put this on the shelf. The box looks pretty small. I thought it was going to be a bit bigger, but anyways, let's see how it looks. It's small. Didn't I order like 9 inches? Is this 9 inches? Anyways, so freaking small. It's cute. I'm probably gonna end up painting this, guys, but let me give you all a close-up of how it looks. Hold on. Okay, so this is how it looks close up. This is what my pampas, I believe is how you pronounce it, dried pampas grass flowers are gonna go into. This looks really small. I ordered it, what? Let me check what size I ordered it in because this looks really small. I thought I for sure ordered this in a decent size because I knew I would be putting tall grass in it. Let me see what size I ordered it. And give me 1 second, guys. I'm going on my Etsy purchase history. 9 inches, that's what, 9 inches? I'm definitely gonna get this bigger. Oh, 9 inches was the biggest size. All right, let me measure this and see if this is 9 inches, because honey, this does not look like it's 9 inches. It's 9 inches, guys. Wow. I'm probably gonna end up painting it another color because I don't know if I like the white. I thought it would be heavy and like stone, but it's like, y'all hear this? It's like plastic, but I'm gonna make it work. My pampas grass is so long though. I'm probably gonna bury some stones in it just to give it some weight. That way when I put my pampas grass in, I don't have to cut so much length off just to stabilize it from tilting over. This is another favorite decor staple that I purchased that I know I'm just gonna be obsessed with. The fragrances sounded like they smell really good, but we'll see. Everything just looks so much smaller than what. Oh, this is the wrong thing. I thought this was, I don't want to open this yet. I'm going to save this for later. All of these pieces are so much smaller than what I thought they were. It would be like, these are so small. But, oh my God, they smell so freaking good. I'm going to show you what these are right now. I'm definitely going to have to buy more pieces to put on that because this is going to be looking bland. All of these pieces are so much smaller than what I imagined them to be. Like, I thought they were going to be so big, but they're actually really tiny. These are male and female body figurine candles. I thought these were so cute. They're super small. I didn't think they were going to be this small, but this is how they look. This is the woman body. And this is the male. Look how precious this looks. Guys, I have to show you this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Guys, look how precious this looks. Look how precious this looks. It's gorgeous. Just a little bit of information about this stone. It's a citrine, I believe is the way it's pronounced, raw cluster stone. The meaning of this stone represents manifestation, imagination, and personal will. It carries the power of the sun. It is warm and comforting, energizing, and life-giving. It stimulates the chakras like the sunlight of spring, clearing the mind and stirring the soul to action. Its frequency awakens creativity and imagination and sustains the process of transforming dreams and wishes into tangible forms. With its pure yellow energy, citrine encourages fullness of life, fresh beginnings, and new pursuits. Natural citrine does not hold or accumulate negative energy, but rather transmutes, dissipates, and grounds it, making it extremely protective for the environment. It works out problems on both the physical and subtitle levels, transforming negative thoughts and feelings into positive ones. It is one of the only 2 crystals on Earth that never needs to be cleared or cleansed. That's amazing. Isn't that amazing? This will be placed on my entry shelf. Every time I walk in, I want to just remember what it represents. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now for our compass grab. If I'm not pronouncing these things right, guys, please do not crucify me. Please don't crucify me. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, they are already shedding. Look how cute these are. Ooh. Look how cute. Look. Look how cute these are. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The picture frame has finally finished drying. This is how it looks. I'm not sure if you all can see that, but don't worry, you guys will get a close view soon. I'm going to take the picture that I went ahead and printed at Office Depot and place it into the floating frame.
And that wraps it up. I want to give a huge thank you to those of you who showed me love by watching this video in full. I truly appreciate your support. Let me know what you guys thought of this video down in the comments below. If you have any suggestions on what my next decor project should be, feel free to type down below as well. Until next time.